What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Fenty Skin order that just came in the mail. I'm super excited about it because ever since this quarantine stuff happened, I started getting into skincare and taking better care of my skin, and my skin has improved so much in like the last year because I decided to take this downtime and learn and educate myself about skin. So I was super excited to see that Rihanna came out with a skincare line. I mean, I think we were all waiting for it and expecting it, but this is more exciting to me than Fenty Beauty because I'm not much of a makeup girl. I did my makeup for you guys today though, because tonight I'm going to be trying these out and giving you guys my first impressions. So I decided to do my makeup so we can see how well it removes makeup if that's what you rather use this cleanser for. So let's do it. I had a knife right here, but it doesn't really look like I need a knife. Oh, right here. So I have my hot pink knife. And I got the entire bundle. The bundle was $75. And I got it when it like dropped for like a pre-order. I got on the list and all. I wanted to go to the virtual party, but I didn't make it. Your girl did makeup. Ooh, look at that. I love the packaging. It's lavender, like lilac purple. Looks super duper cute. That is the total cleanser. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. 4.9 fluid ounces. And then the fat water. Ooh, girl, that looks so cute. It just looks so nice. It looks fat. And I just can't wait to put this on. And then we have the Hydro Visor in this box, which is really cute. I believe that it's like refillable, and I think that's really good for the environment. I like seeing brands incorporate ways that we can have our beauty supplies or beauty products but still have them be eco-friendly. So this is the shell, the outside, which like I said, I really love this packaging. I love lavender, is like my favorite color right now, so it's really nice. And then this is the refillable thing, and you just snap it in there. I think that's really nice and easy. And girl, I'm so excited to use this tonight. I've been waiting for it. And tracking it since I pressed confirm order. So stay tuned tonight and watch me melt this makeup off. Right. What's up, you guys? So it is currently, let me see, it's really late. It's 11:06 p.m. So if I'm a little, tamer, that's why. I just came from out to eat. This video is about Fenty Skin. These are my first impressions. I hope this is helpful to you. All right, so your girl is just gonna tie these braids back. We are gonna start with the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. It's supposed to be a makeup remover along with a cleanser. What I love about this packaging is that you just pop and it's open, and it's closed and it's open. Super cool. You guys are gonna look and see the panda bear in I know in Rihanna's nighttime routine, she didn't wet her face, but when I put product on my face, I like to wet it. Ooh, let me show you what that looks like. I think it looks nice and creamy. It's very thick. Very thick. It has, you can smell it, but it's not overwhelming. So that's good. I'm gonna lather it onto my face. And just, okay, this feels very different from the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. This is more, it lathers a lot more, which I actually like. One thing about my CeraVe that used to annoy me was that like it was so watery, but yet it felt like lotion being put on your face. This, you can see the cleanser, see where it's going so you don't miss any spots. And I can see some of my makeup coming off. This would be great if it gets everything off because this eliminates having to use makeup wipes. And like I said earlier, I don't really wear makeup a lot. Whoo, girl. All right, by the looks of it, all of my makeup is off. This is my skin now. Also, just for future reference, I think it got rid of the makeup just fine. But I am gonna go in with a second cleanse, just the first as removing my makeup and the second as washing my face. Also, just to mention, my face doesn't feel stripped. It feels, I wouldn't say it feels super like hydrated, like oh my god, I feel like, you know, how my other one makes me, but it doesn't strip my skin at all. It feels quite hydrating, which is amazing. Everywhere I'm washing my face. I honestly don't feel like you have to go back and like wet the product, but that's how I like it. I like it kind of slipping all over my face. I love it. All right, you guys, this is my face after the second cleanse, and I just feel like amazing. I love how easy it was to get that makeup off. Not that I had a lot on, but because if I used a cotton pad or a makeup wipe, not only would have stung my face and made me feel very uncomfortable and irritated, it would have taken forever. Whereas with this, it got it on and off quickly, and that I love about it. Next, we're gonna be using our fat water. This is probably the product I was most excited for just because it looks the most appealing. Also, I've started to love toners. I didn't really like it when I first like discovered it because I honestly didn't know how to use it right. So when I did use it, it only stripped my skin. And, you know, I didn't understand the concept of a toner. This toner is supposed to be a toner and a serum in one, and that's what makes it the consistency so thick or fat, shall I say. I love Earth. Oh, look at that. That is super cute. It says Earth Conscience. You open it the same that you would open the cleanser. You just open, close, open, close, open. And ooh, we're not going to do too much. It feels more like a serum to me than a toner, which is good because toners that I'm used to have a lot of, it has lots of alcohol in it. So not only is it what I would say thinner, but it stings, and I wouldn't say irritates my skin because it doesn't redden my skin or anything. It feels like a astringent, I guess. But this feels very, very moisturizing, very promising. I haven't heard of like a toner serum, so I don't know how I'm expecting this to work. More like a toner, more like a serum. But I will say, no dryness so far. And yeah. It's real tacky on my face. It feels like that sticky feeling, like that. I like that because I just feel like that means that it's on there. It's not going to move. It's going to absorb into your skin. So I like that feeling. And this is what my skin is looking like now. Now this last product is the moisturizer with the SPF. So before anybody tries to correct me, I know you're not supposed to sleep with SPF on, but I normally don't do that. So I will wear it tonight. This is the SPF. This is the shell of it. Inside is the actual thing. If you didn't know, they come apart and you just pop it on like that. When you run out of this, you buy the refills to put in your new shell. And I think that is just so amazing. And then there's this right here where you can close it. Ooh, gosh. Close, open, close, open, or open, close, open, close. I think that's so nice. It just can't get messy. But yeah, I'm gonna put this moisturizer on for you guys just for tonight. We're gonna do 3 pumps. I think 3 pumps. I like that, like, the color matches the packaging. Super cute. This feels similar to the toner where it feels very like tacky, like it just sticks to your face, but not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. Not where like your face feels like a Jolly Rancher, you know? This fragrance honestly smells good to me. Like, it's not like other products where it's just so overwhelming and it's like just the smell of it makes you feel like this is gonna irritate my face. This doesn't smell like that. It smells very light. The scent is very light. I don't feel like I just don't feel like it would irritate most skin types. I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm normal to dry. So this is what my skin is looking like on day 1 of my Fenty Skin. I think it looks very nice, hydrated. I do look and feel so moisturized, and I feel like this would be great for day and night. The only thing that I hope that she comes out with is, number 1, I hope she comes out with a fragrance free of this collection. And I also hope that she can make this moisturizer without the SPF, just so that it is appropriate to use at nighttime. Now, would I recommend this to you based off of my first impressions? Yeah, I would recommend this to someone who's either getting into skincare and you love Rihanna and you just need something simple and to the point. This is great for that. If I were to recommend one item, if you can't afford everything or the entire bundle, if I could recommend one item, it would be the cleanser. I feel like if you are a frequent makeup wearer, it is a great makeup remover. I just feel like it's very eco-friendly, requires no wipes, no cotton pads. It's not strong or stripping. It's very clean. I feel like even with, you know, washing your face, it's not like your hands are filled with foundation or anything. It's very clean, you know, environmentally, but also, you know, during the process. And I'm super excited to continue this. I will make a full review with all my thoughts, if I think it worked, if I think I would repurchase it. So maybe in a month, maybe 2, I'll check back in. But those are my first impressions. I think it's very good. It was worth the money. And I love how eco-friendly it is. I think that's my favorite part about it, is that it's just very innovative. And I love it. And I would recommend it. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if you ordered Fenty Skin, if you plan on ordering Fenty Skin, and if you do, what item or items you're gonna get. Have a great day, great evening, a good morning, wherever you are in the world. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you would like to get to know me more and watch more of my content. Okay, bye.